Kajing mamla ka All India Trinamool Congress AITC ban yo e kajing job haka election shiteng samoy na gambigre badalor kajing mi no Nongïalam lem kinong kit kam ba khmat jong ni kaseng na nong thamai constituency kalanang pentronya ka ni kaseng haka ba kilami kijing Kynthah bau Dr. Mukul sangma udon jing thmu bo unmi no na ka ni kaseng bat ban let panya so eladi shakiwe pat kiseng ba Kynthah ya ka National People's Party ka ba lam khmat ya ka sarkar MDA2 Ababu ikan ni jingkli hakmat menteri ke sarkar MDA2 Rakkam sangma ulaong bagi Nongïalam ki Stad kim ju Leit Phai sya ka Ïing ka Barim badban ongru bau Dr. Mukul ula thau ela ka Ïing kum Nongïalam ka TMC nolor kita ulaong ru baka TMC kala le bha ka election shiteng samoy ya ka ba kala yo banwan baar badban penrapan baka syong hau Dr. Mukul kum no uyat nang ni sya khman.
Good leaders never go back to the old house. Prominent leaders, the good leaders, the future leaders build their new house. So I think so. I don't know, but I don't think so. So there are many leaders who decide to stand on his own and will decide his future. So I think hardly like the Captain Sangma never gone back to APSLC. PS Sangma never went back to the Congress, right? So like the P. Chidambaram, the former Chief Minister of the Jammu Kashmir, the many leaders has already exodus from Congress. So these things happen. New people will come in. So but the leaders build their new house sometime good.
So you give your blessings to Dr. Mukul to start a new house?
No. He has his own house. So Mukul is a leader of the TMC, and then it is. I think he has fought well in the Gambigre election. Look, they have stood second. They have put the Congress on the third position. Imagine. So this is so their presence is what you call so significant. So I think, but it is him to decide. I am nobody to talk about Sir Mukul Sangma. He is my senior leader. He is my respected leader. But I don't know the reason why he moved out of the Congress. Did that? I mean, problem solved. So I think I don't know the reason why it happened so. Because the disease, because of which he has to move it out, that disease has to be cured first. I don't know whether it has been cured or not. So I don't think so. Let's see. Let's see tomorrow what happens. Sir, if you look at the genesis and history of our state, Sir Mukul Sangma was groomed and prepared by Sir P.A. Sangma. They were same together. But in the process it happens here and there. So I don't think so, because look, his stronghold, Gambigre, he has to lose. This is a testimony. Forget about the MP election. MP election altogether as a completely different story. But the Gambigre was his like a family. It's like his people for 2 decades. But now he had to back it, and he couldn't retain. His party couldn't retain. This speaks the volumes of how NPP are under dynamic and strong, powerful, leaders of Honorable Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. So, hope Meghalaya will grow.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.